Hey everybody, Brock Frady here helping you enjoy your ride. If you have a 2011 Toyota Camry LE, then you have a turn signal stalk and headlight stalk that looks a lot like this. This also applies to several other year models. In order to cut the headlights on, you see where it says DRL off, that stands for daytime running lights off. You can roll it to auto and it will automatically cut on the headlights when it gets dark. How does the car do that? I'm glad you asked. On the dash, there's a sensor. Can you see that eye right there? That eye determines lack of light outside, and whenever it determines that it's dark enough to need the headlights, it works with this stalk right here and cuts your headlights on automatically. That's like parking lights, regular headlights, cutting them on manually. Take this stalk and push it forward. It cuts on your brights. You can see the blue light right there on the dash. And then of course turn signals. I hope this helps you understand your headlights and turn signals and helps you enjoy your ride. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Remember to subscribe. Have a great day.